So here we have Mid-USA 9002s. These are for 86 to 06 Harley Sportsters. These are 1 3/4 inch slash cut drag pipes. You got 1 3/4 inch slash cut chrome. These are for 86 to 03 Sportsters. This is how they come. This is the front side. And that is the bolt and nut kit for installation. Here is the back side. As you can see, they have the channel mounts and all brackets welded on. These are chrome ones, and they are also available in a matte black, which is almost like the black from the night trains. They're also available in 2-inch. This is how they come. This is a budget exhaust, nothing fancy, nothing overpriced, just something to get you going. I wouldn't call them show quality because there is some stuff here going on, but the chrome is very good for what it is. Definitely a really good set of pipes for the price. I will include a video of a bike running with these exhausts, and we'll have links in the description for this set and all the others so you know where to get them.